Hi lovely people, you are welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how we prepare this delicious peanut butter or groundnut soup. Let's get right into the video. I started by transferring some water into a saucepan in which I'll add in my vegetables and allow to boil until they are soft. So I'm making use of some onions, carrots, fresh tomatoes and pepper. As we can see, our vegetables are soft now, so I'll take them off the fire, allow to cool a bit, then I'll blend and set aside. I'll then go ahead to prepare my meat. The meat I'm using is turkey, so I've transferred it into the pot already, but unfortunately my camera was not recording. I've also added some chopped onions, garlic and ginger paste, salt to taste and some seasoning cube and tomato paste. I'll allow this to boil for a while, then we'll continue from there. I've allowed this to boil for about 5 to 7 minutes. I'll stir to mix everything together, then I'll allow it to boil for extra 5 minutes, then we'll go ahead and add in our blended vegetables. I would love to take this opportunity to thank you all for always supporting my channel, for always watching, liking and subscribing. And please click the like button if you haven't done so. Thank you. I'm adding the blended vegetables, that is the ones we boiled earlier. So this place smells amazing already. I'll stir this, add some water and allow it to continue cooking while we go ahead and prepare our groundnut paste. I have some small amount of water on fire already, and here is our peanut butter. This is our homemade peanut butter. You can check how we made it on this channel. So I'll transfer the peanut butter into the water. The next thing is to stir it as you are seeing on the screen. So after stirring it for a while, I added some tomato paste to it and I continued stirring. We can see it has started producing oil already. This shows that this peanut butter is original. So I'll go ahead, add more water, and then I will allow it to boil until we see some oil settle on top of it. After adding the water, I continue stirring it to make sure that it doesn't form lumps. So once this is well mixed, I will allow it to cook on medium heat until I see some oil settle on top of it. I'll be stirring it from time to time to make sure it does not get burnt. So at this point, our peanut butter is ready for us to transfer into the soup. So I've taken it off the fire. I'll go right away and transfer it into our light soup. We are almost getting there. So after adding the peanut butter to the soup, I'll mix it very well. And after mixing it, I realized the soup was thick, so I went ahead to add more water to this. Kindly add the water to your desired consistency. This consistency is perfect for me, so I'll adjust the salt and allow this to cook until we see more oil settle on top of it. At this point, our soup is almost ready. We can see more oil on top of it. So I would love to add cabbage to this lastly. This is optional. And I'll also drop in some extra fresh pepper for the pepper lovers. And now let it simmer on medium heat for about 5 minutes and we have our peanut butter soup ready. And now I present to you our delicious peanut butter soup. This soup can be enjoyed with any meal of your choice. We enjoyed ours with some rice balls. I would love to know what you think about this soup in the comments section, and also let me know what you will enjoy this soup with. Kindly give the video a like. Thank you for watching.